In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video quality in Google Meet. This simple guide is designed to help you enhance your meeting experiences by adjusting video settings for better quality. Whether you're presenting in a professional setting or simply catching up with friends and family, ensuring you're coming across clear and crisp is essential. So, let's dive right in and make those video calls better than ever. The first step is to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you're ready to start making adjustments to your video settings. Once you've arrived on the Google Meet landing page, the next thing you want to do is locate the settings. You'll find the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear, on the homepage. Sometimes it might be nestled in a menu, depending on the interface. Clicking on this icon will open up the settings menu where you'll have access to a variety of options to customize your Google Meet experience. Within the settings menu, look for the video tab. This section is dedicated to all settings related to your video input and output. Clicking on this will bring you to the video settings page where you can make changes to improve your video quality. Now, for a pivotal step, choosing a better camera. If you're using an external camera, or if your device has more than one built-in camera, this is where you can switch between them. Choosing a high quality camera is key to improving video quality. If you've noticed your video feed looks grainy or unclear, switching to a better camera can make a significant difference. Look through the options and select the camera you'd like to use for your future meetings. After you've selected your preferred camera, it's time to close the settings menu. Simply look for the close button, which might sometimes be represented by an X at the top corner of the settings window. Click on it and your settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to adjust the video quality settings in Google Meet. Remember, a good camera combined with the right settings can significantly enhance your video call quality, making your interactions more enjoyable and professional. Don't forget to experiment with different cameras if you have them, to find which one offers the best video quality for your meetings. Taking a few moments to adjust your video settings before starting a meeting can make a big difference in how you're perceived and help in reducing misunderstandings due to poor video quality. Whether it's for work, school, or casual chats, ensuring your video quality is the best it can be is always worth the effort. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Be sure to try out these steps before your next Google Meet call and see the difference for yourself. Happy video calling!